Hi guys, what's up? A lot of students asking, sir, anxiety बहुत बढ़ रहा है. We don't know, we're getting nervous. What we should do? Today is 26th, tomorrow is 27th, and 28th is the D-Day. Guys, honestly, trust me, if you're anxious about your paper and if you're getting nervous about your paper, even after studying, it's a good sign. Why? Because you have slogged a lot. You've been working all day long for this CAT examination. You might have sacrificed so many nights, and you might have sacrificed so many let's say events, or probably outings, or probably your vacations and a lot of stuff, right? So you've been really honest towards your preparation, and it's very it's very obvious as a human being, when we really want something to happen, definitely a good thing to happen to us, and when it really means something, really important for us. जैसे CAT is an examination, it's going to be a turning point in your life. तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा नर्वस होना, उसके बारे में थोड़ा एंग्शियस होना, ये जाहिर सी बात है. The only request to you as a big brother I can do is, do not freak out. Stay away from your preparation. Don't go for mocks. Don't try to revise a lot. Don't exhaust yourself. I would say try to relax a bit. Probably you can watch some good motivational movies like Pursuit of Happiness, probably Goal, or Castaway, something like that. Couple of things on my list. Home Alone probably you can watch. But go give your mind a little bit of relaxation right now, because it's going to be really taxing if you really slog yourself for the next 2 days. D-Day would probably be tiring, right? So don't let that thing happen to you. If you really want to stick around your studies, well, the best thing that you can do is you can sort of start checking out 17, 18, 19 and 20 ka paper, wherein you have 9 papers with you, 9 slots, 9 papers, and just go through those papers. Understand the level of difficulty. That will help you to benchmark. That will actually help you to understand every single bloody section of CAT 2021. It will help you to understand कि यार ये 20 का level है, ये 19 के level पे आया है, ये साला 18 के level पे आया है. Now these things will help you. Now this is called as passive study. And you may be watching a movie, and there are numbers playing around inside your brains, right? What ये formula ऐसा है, what RC का rule sir ने ऐसा बोला है, probability का rule sir ने ऐसा बोला है. Guys, ये passive study होती है. So maybe you are going out, or maybe you are eating, or maybe you're taking a nap. You will always have these things going inside your mind, which is a good. So that's what is a passive study. अगर इतना भी कर लेते हो, काफी है यारो. इतना ज़्यादा load मत लेना. Don't really push yourself a lot. I know we are Indian students, and I believe we've been trained like that last 2 days you've got to hustle a lot. But it's an aptitude exam. The less you work in the last 2 days, or other 48 hours, the more you will be productive on the D-Day, because we know that the school papers and the graduation paper, we पूरा रात भर हम जगते थे, and आधी नींद में भी पेपर लिख रहे हैं, और जो भी रखा था वो अच्छे से हम वहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं. But guys, CAT is an examination, is an aptitude test. You can't take that chance. Your mind got to be fresh. You have to be in the best of your mood, and you need to be very sharp on the D-Day. So take a proper sleep, yeah. And spend some time with your family, spend some time with your loved ones. You spend some time with your friends. You can catch up with them, and don't talk about economy, and don't talk about mathematics and all that. Probably want to talk about something that suits your age a lot. You want to kind of have fun. You can do that, right? That's what I'm saying. So try out these things. अगले 2 दिन ज़्यादा exhaust मत करना. You've been studying so hard, यार. Give yourself a little relaxation for the next 2 days, guys. That's all from my side. I'm also kind of making a couple of more videos for you guys. They're kind of lined up now. I'll be doing that, and on a D-Day I'm going to be with you since morning. Slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, all the analysis and what should be done by the second and the third slot वाला बचा लो, right? So guys, that's it from my side. थोड़ा relax करो यार, थोड़ा relax करो. चलो, bye bye.